Elastic technology drives the future of industry. Elastic technology drives the future of industry. Sunzo specializes in high-end elastic components, supporting transformative changes in the details. Automotive industry, high-performance disc spring, protecting engine power and chassis safety. Rail transit, the premium disc springs from Sanchong ensure safe and smooth operation in high-speed trains. Elevator motor industry, precision elastic components ensure accurate and reliable transmission and braking. Wind power industry, provide lasting pressure and stable output for the wind turbine pitch system. Nuclear power industry, meet nuclear safety standards and safeguard energy security. Hydrogen energy industry, in the hydrogen fuel cell stack and system piping. Our precision elastic sealing and compression scheme is the key to improving efficiency and safety. Electricity is the blood of industry. Sanchong Elastic provides core elastic components for key equipment in the field of ultra-high voltage, ensuring the stable operation of the million-volt grid.